Welcome to the video lecturing series of data mining and warehousing. Today in this video we will discuss about how we will solve the problems comes under text mining, that is term frequency and inverse document frequency. In your exam point of view, sometimes questions may ask in the section of term frequency and inverse document frequency in text mining topic. Now we will see how we can solve the problems comes under this area. Okay. So this is one question. Term frequency matrix is given in the table, shows the frequency term per document. Calculate the TF and IDF value for the term T4 in the document 3. So this is the question and we are asked to find the TF and IDF value. So how we will find the TF and IDF value? In previous video, in the text mining video, I have already told you about what are the steps to find term frequency as well as inverse document frequency and how we will find TF and IDF. Okay, I will just summarize this equation. Here the TF is the term frequency. For finding the term frequency, we will find how many times a particular term is occurring in the document, that is known as term frequency, and term frequency value will be 0 if that particular term is not present in that document. Otherwise, if that term is present in the document, we will use the equation 1 plus log of 1 plus log of frequency of dt. That is the equation. Now what about inverse document frequency? The equation is log of 1 plus d by mod dt, and after finding the TF value and IDF value, multiply together to find the TF IDF value. So this is the steps to find TF and IDF value. And now we will see how we will find this. Okay. So what is our question? We have to find the TF and IDF value of term T4 in document 3, right? So this is our equation. So we have to find TF of document 3 in T4. So the first step is find the term frequency. So finding the term frequency is the first step. How we will find the term frequency? TF of D3 and T4, in that is equal to 1 plus log of D3 comma T4. So that means how many times the term T4 is occurring in D3. How many times it is occurring? Just see the question. How many times T4 occurring in D3? How many times it is occurring? It is occurring 6 times, right? So that it will be by substituting the values 1 plus log of 1 plus log 6 will be the value, and after that you will get, after substituting the equation, you will get the value like this, 1.2499. This is the final result. Okay. Now next, what is the next step? Finding the inverse document frequency. What is inverse document frequency? For the equation for that, log of 1 plus d by mod dt is the equation for finding the inverse document frequency. Here what is that? 1 plus log of 1 plus d by mod dt. This is the equation, right? So what is this d? D is the document collection. So in that question, how many documents are given? That document collection is represented as d, and mod dt. What is that dt represent? It is a set of document containing that term, right? Set of document containing that particular term is represented as dt. Now we will substitute the values. Log of 1 plus, what is the value of d? How many documents are present in the question? See the question, how many documents? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So 4 is the number of documents. So in place of d, I will substitute the value 4. So log of 1 plus 4 divided by dt. What is the value of dt? dt is nothing but the set of document containing that particular term. Which term we are finding? We are considering the term T4, right? So in document the document T4 is existing in how many documents? It is existing in D2, D3 and D4, right? So, it is existing in 3 documents. So, 3 is the value of dt here. So, we will substitute the value of 3 there. So, log of 1 plus 4 by 3, right. So, after substituting the value, you will get the result as 0.221, right. Okay. After that, find the TF and IDF value. For finding the TF and IDF value, you have to multiply TF of D3 T4 into IDF of T4. So, previous value was 1.2499 and 0.221. So, after substituting this, you will get the result like this. Okay, hope all of you understood this question. Now, we will move on to another example. So, in this example, you can see 5 documents are there and 7 terms are given. So, here in this question, this matrix is known as term frequency matrix. This is the term frequency. Here the row represents the document vector. This is the document vector, and the column represents the term. Okay, and each entry in this matrix, this is a frequency matrix, and this each term represents frequency of dt. How many times the term tj is occurring in the document, that is known as frequency. Frequency of each term in particular document is represented, that is the entry in this, that is the value, that is each entry represent that. Okay. So, now we will see what is our question is finding the TF and IDF value of the term 7 in document D2. That is our question. We have to find the TF and IDF value of term 7 in document D2. So, this is the equation. So, how we will find it? We have to find TF of D2 comma T7, right? D2 comma T7. So, while substituting the value 1 plus log of 1 plus log of, what is the value of T7 in D2? The value is 32, right? So, here you can see T7 in D2 is 32. So, after substituting that value, you will get like this. You will get the value 1.398. It is 1.398. Okay. After that, you have to find the IDF value. What is the equation for finding IDF value? Log of 1 plus d by mod dt. So, here log of 1 plus what is the value of d here? How many documents are there in this question? 5 documents are there, right? So, 1 plus 5 divided by dt. dt represent how many times the term 7 is occurring in the document. How many times T7 is occurring? 1, 2 and 3, right? So, dt value is 3 here. So, 1 plus log of 1 plus 5 by 3, and you will get the final result as 0.301, and by multiplying these two values 1.398 into 0.301, you will get the final result as 0.4208. This is the TF and IDF value of document T2 in T7. So, hope all of you understood this question also. Similarly, if you are asked for D4 in T6, how you will find D4 in T6? So, what you have to do is inside the D4, the term T6, how many times it is occurring? So, it is occurring 15 times. So, you have to find 1 plus log of 1 plus log 15 first you will find. After that, you have to find the IDF value of T6. For that, the equation is log of 1 plus how many documents? 5 documents divided by how many times this T6 is occurring? T6 is occurring, how many times this is occurring? This is occurring 3 times, right? So, that is 1 plus log of 1 plus 5 by 3, right? So, that is the way of finding IDF, and multiplying these two values you will get the final TF and IDF value, right? Okay. So, that is all this is the way of solving the problems comes under TF and IDF. Hope all of you understood this session. Thank you.